This year didn't begin with a plan, just the urge to move.
Looking back over my triumph so far,
To chase the horizon. One pedal stroke became a day, one day became a season. We crossed rivers that carved the land, climbed ridgelines where silence speaks louder than any city, and found beauty in the in-between, where the road hums and the world hushes. From snowy shoulders to summer skies, we kept going, not to escape, but to arrive at something truer.
Perfect. We got the gang together. One last supper. Hopefully not literally another supper.
As we look back, it's not the milestones we remember the most.
I hate you, Fritz.
It's the quiet between the peaks. Small towns, the roadside chats, the sound of gravel under tires. Somewhere between the miles, we started to build, not just a channel, not just a rhythm, but a way of being. A camera in one hand,
So I've been asking myself this whole frickin' trip, why the hell do I bike pack?
story unfolding in the other.
Step one, reach.
Lessons stitched into every gear failure, every flat tire, every late night edit. There were no shortcuts, no guarantees, just persistence and the quiet faith that if we kept showing up, something meaningful would grow. We didn't just chase adventure this year. We built a rhythm, a way of showing up for the story, for the ride, for ourselves. Not every mile was easy. Some days, the weight wasn't just in the panniers.
On the Fritz mix.
Growth didn't always shout either. Sometimes it whispered.
Probably.
In the ache of solitude, in the lessons we didn't ask for, in the letting go of plans that didn't fit anymore.
But yeah, I see this is where the gravel...
But we kept moving. Not faster, just deeper. Some moments we planned, and others we didn't even see coming.
Yeah.
But every frame we captured carried a piece of what mattered. And when the road quieted, there were things waiting we couldn't ride away from. Loss came softly, but love never left. She rode beside me longer than anyone, and now she runs ahead. Goodbye, Molly. Thank you for the years. You will be remembered. Thank you for being here this year, for the rides, the comments, the quiet support, for the sharing the road. I made this for me personally, but knowing you were out there, remembering, watching, and sharing the ride, that means more than you will ever know. Here's to what's ahead for 2026. And also a very thank you for following along for 2025. I will see you in 2026. Oh man, this coffee is good. Oh. And I'll see you